Hey guys, so we're on a mission this morning. We're getting ready to rebuild the chicken coop. So this was the old coop, and we had it in a chicken run over here in this corner. And we just tore down all the overgrown bush and everything. And we're getting ready to clean this out and do a rebuild. So we gotta repair this old coop and take care of business. Chelsea is making too much noise. Even though we're doing all this work for her. Trey is over here moving the compost that we got out of the chicken run, and now he's putting it onto our pear trees back here. Poppy has deconstructed the old chicken run, and now he is leveling the ground here for the new one we're about to build. Breaking ground on it. Poppy getting it right. Poppy getting it right.
Okay, now why is she screaming like that?
Because she just want to get out. Poppy set the post for the first post. So we got the platform so that the chicken coop will be off the ground, and it'll be easier for me to access and harvest the eggs. So now we got the coop on top of the platform, and we're getting ready to reinforce the roof here. This side door looks pretty good, but on the other side it's really bad. It's kind of been through some shit, so we're gonna have to get that together. But we got the big part done. Yay! Now we're getting these shingles on the roof.
Guess I'm gonna just do it like that.
Hey guys, so I'm out in the garden and we just finished up the first big project of the spring, which was to rebuild the chicken run and the chicken coop. So now I have another big project, which is situating all of the plants that were in the house during the wintertime. So this is all the plants that were housed in the garage over winter. And yeah, that one too, Bird of Paradise. And now I've got to situate them all in the garden in their areas. We just cut back stuff in the garden and raked it up good. Got Arkansas Bobcat guy to come out and get it cleaned up. So now I'm getting ready to decorate. I mean, this is sort of decorated, but doesn't really have all the beauty that I want. So I'm getting ready to put those things out. And here's Chelsea in her newly refurbished chicken run. And coop.
Designs. A man countered hotly. Precisely my point.